welcome you all on Rishikul Online School, the best platform for providing education to students. Again, I welcome you all. Students, this is module number 4, and in this module we shall discuss the rest of the story of the chapter The Happy Prince, and this chapter has been written by Oscar Wilde. So let's move to next slide and see. Students, in the previous module we have discussed that the swallow returned to the prince at night and said that he had come to say goodbye, but the prince managed to convince the swallow to stay back. In this module, we shall discuss the rest of the story, so let's move and discuss. The prince told the swallow that a little match girl was standing and crying in the square below. Her matches had fallen in the gutter and were all spoiled. Her father would beat her if she failed to take home some money. So the prince asked the swallow to pluck out his other eye and give it to that girl. On the prince's insistence, the swallow plucked the second eye and flew swiftly to the match girl, slipping the sapphire in the palm of her hand. The little girl exclaimed with joy on seeing the jewel and ran home laughing. So rest of the story will be discussed in the next slide. So let's move to next slide and see. Students, in this slide we shall discuss that the swallow returned and told the blind prince that now he would never leave him. The next day the swallow sat on the prince's shoulder all day and told him of what he had seen in other strange places. The prince listened to those marvelous things and then told the swallow that he wanted him to fly over his city and tell him about the misery and suffering of his people. So the swallow flew over the great city and saw the rich enjoying in their big houses while the poor were hungry and suffered. He flew back to the prince and told him all that he had seen. The prince suggested that the swallow should pluck the fine gold with which his statue had been covered and distribute it among the poor and hungry. Gradually the leaves of gold that covered the prince were all gone and the statue looked dull and withered. However, the poor children who had been given that gold were laughing and playing as they now had food. The rest of the story will be discussed in the next slide. So let's move to next slide and see. Students, in this slide we shall discuss the story further. So let's move and discuss. Then came the cold winter and it started to snow. Each day the swallow grew colder but didn't leave the prince. He tried to survive by picking some crumbs outside the baker's door and flap his wings to keep himself warm. But this could not go for long, and one day the swallow realized that he was going to die. Rest of the story will be discussed in the next module. So wait for the next module. Keep watching the module. Thank you.